Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you two ways how to get your verification code or two-factor authentication on your Apple ID on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Then you want to tap on your ID and make sure that an Apple ID is already logged in, and you create a new one on your phone. After that, what you need to do is you need to tap on your sign in and security. It'll load for a while, but it will eventually open like this. And then you need to make sure that your two-factor authentication is on right over here, and that there is a trusted phone number on the number that you want to get the two-factor authentication. Then there is a button on get verification code. So if you tap on it, you need a verification code to sign in on the device or at icloud.com. So after you click it, you'll get a verification code on the number you've entered on the trusted phone number. So this is a quick and easy method on how you can get two-factor authentication of Apple ID on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, leave it on the drop box below. I'll be sure to answer it. It's Millie signing off. I'll see you on the next one.